How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Great. So welcome back to your English class. Kids, today we are going to do book exercise related to the use of a and an. Okay? In our English grammar book. But before doing this exercise, I would like to explain again the use of a and an. So let's start. Kids, as you all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Yes? In which 5 letters are called vowels. These are A, E, I, O, U. Yes? So these are 5 letters which are called vowels. And rest of the letters are called consonants. Yes? And these are 21 letters. 5 letters are vowels and rest 21 letters are called consonants. Okay? Now use of a and an. Firstly, a and an both are used with singular noun. Okay? Now let's see how to use a and an. Firstly, use of a. So kids, use of a. It's used with the nouns that begin with consonants. It begin with consonants. Now I would like to show some examples so that it will be very easy for you all to explain where to use a and where to use an. Okay? Now let's see some examples of a. First is a girl. G-I-R-L, girl. A van. V-A-N, van. It's singular girl. Yes. V-A-N, van. A dog. A cow. C-O-W, cow. A zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. A bus. B-U-S, bus. So kids, as you notice that all these are starting with consonant sounds. Yes. So that we are using what? A before all the words. Now let's see use of an. An is used with the nouns that begin with vowel sounds. And vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Again, just look here some examples of an. Yes. There are some examples, some pictures where to use an. For example, an egg, an orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, E-double-G, egg, an elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, an umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, an aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. So it will be very easy for you. Yes. Now how to use a and an. If it starts with vowel sounds like A, E, I, O, U, now you have to use an. And if it starts with consonant sounds, yes, now you have to use a. Yes. So kids, after this just recap of the concept, we will start our exercise, book exercise. So take out your English grammar book, The Maturing Seed. Take out this book, The Maturing Seed, and open page number 47. Open page number 47. Let's start our book exercise on page number 47. Mention the date. Today is 28 July 2021. Yes? And this is your class assignment. Okay. So in this exercise, help Tim put his toys into the box by filling 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 in the blanks with a or an. This is Tim. Okay, so you have to help Tim put his toys. These are his toys. So put his toys in the box, into the box by filling the blanks with a or an. Okay, so these are some words. Start with me. Take your pencil. First one is dash elephant. What is this? Elephant. ELEPHANT. Yes. So as it starts with E sound. Yes. And you know very well E is vowel sound. Yes. So before this we are using an. Yes, an elephant, because it starts with E sound and E's are vowel sound. Okay, A-E-I-O-U, these are vowel sounds. Now next is S-U-B-M-A-R-I-N-E, submarine. What is this? Submarine. So it starts with S. What is the first letter? S. Is it a vowel or consonant? Tell me. बेटा ये vowel है या consonant है S? Yes, it is consonant. So definitely we are using what? A or an? What we have to use? Right. A. Or submarine. Yes. Third one is dash dog. D-O-G, dog. Now starts with what? D. And D is vowel or consonant? Consonant. And with consonant we have to use a. A dog. Yes. Just you have to see only one thing, beta. Just see this spelling. Firstly, it starts with which sound? Is it a vowel sound or consonant sound? If it is vowel sound, you have to use an. A-N-N. And if it starts with consonant sound, now you have to use a. Yes. Now next is tractor. T-R-A-C-T-O-R. Tractor. Tractor starts with T sound. T. So definitely you know very well it is consonant sound. Then we have to use a. Yes. Now next is rocket. Dash rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. Rocket starts with, now you tell me, it starts with which sound? Which letter? R. And R is consonant because it's not a vowel sound. Now vowels are A-E-I-O-U. And this is R. Yes. So it's a consonant sound. Now we are using again a rocket, an elephant, a submarine, a dog, a tractor, a rocket. Now come to next sixth part. Dash bird. B-I-R-D bird. B. It's consonant. So now we have to use a bird. Seventh, next is color block. C-O-L-O-U-R color block. B-L-O-C-K block. Color block. Yes. C. First letter is C. Starts with C. Yes. And it's consonant. Now again we have to use a. It's very easy. Now engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Look here students. What is the first letter? Which sound is this? E. And this is consonant? No. This is vowel. So we have to use what? A or N? What we have to use? Yes, you know very well. With vowel sounds, we have to use N. Yes? Now next is flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. F. First is F. So it's consonant sound. Again we have to use a flute. Yes? Now last is dash giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Now look here everyone and tell me what is the first letter. Which sound is this? G. And which sound is this? Consonant sound. Yes. Or vowel sound. Yes, very right. It's consonant sound. And again we have to write what? A giraffe. Because it's consonant sound. Same bird. P is consonant sound. C. Color black. Color block. C again it's consonant sound. E. But yes, this is vowel sound. Flute. F. F is consonant sound. Giraffe. Again consonant sound, and with consonant sounds we have to use a, and with vowel sound we have to use N. Clear everyone? Very good. So kids, this exercise is done, and now next is exercise 9C. This is your home assignment. You have to do at your home. Yes, there are 8 words. First is duck, pen, phone, aeroplane, parrot, artist, onion, tiger. So you have to choose first which is vowel sound and which is consonant sound. Just look this thing only. Yes? For example, if I am telling about this onion. O. Very good. You know very well it's vowel sound because A-E-I-O-U. O. So now we have to use what? O or N? Very good. N. Same as this. Duck, pen, phone. Yes? So you have to do this exercise at your home. Complete this exercise and we'll meet in our next class. Till then, bye-bye everyone.